Welcome to a journey into the shadowy realms of human interaction. This is not your average guide to relationships and influence. This is dark psychology, the forbidden secrets of seduction. We're about to dive deep into the psychological strategies that, once mastered, can transform the way you connect with others. These aren't just theoretical ideas, they're practical, actionable techniques grounded in real-life scenarios. Prepare yourself as we explore the often controversial and profound powers of seduction and persuasion. Once you unlock these secrets, there's no turning back. Ready to step into the dark? Chapter 1: Scarcity, the allure of being unavailable. In the world of seduction, being scarce is akin to being a limited edition masterpiece highly sought after because of your rarity. This principle taps into the human tendency to value what is scarce and hard to obtain. To leverage this, you need to cultivate a life rich in passions and pursuits, making your time and attention appear as precious commodities. When you engage with someone, make those moments count, be fully present, vibrant, and leave them craving more. Scenario: Michael is passionate about pottery and attends classes twice a week. When he meets Sarah at a coffee shop, they strike up a conversation. Michael casually mentions his pottery classes and how he only attends them when his busy schedule allows. This subtly signals to Sarah that Michael has a fulfilling life outside of their interaction, making his presence more desirable and intriguing. Chapter 2: Foot in the Door, the power of small steps. The foot in the door technique is a powerful strategy that builds commitment gradually. It starts with small, easy-to-accept requests and slowly progresses to larger ones. This approach leverages our innate desire for consistency. By agreeing to minor requests, people are more likely to consent to more significant ones later. The key is to make the journey engaging and respectful, fostering a connection without overwhelming the other person. Scenario: David is interested in asking Ashley out for dinner but feels a bit nervous about it. He starts by inviting her for a casual coffee. After enjoying their coffee date, he suggests they try a new restaurant they both mention liking. This step-by-step approach helps build comfort and familiarity, making the idea of a dinner date feel more natural and less daunting. Chapter 3: The Mystery Whisperer, the art of intrigue. Mystery is a powerful tool in the art of seduction. Think of yourself as a captivating book, revealing your story slowly, chapter by chapter. Share intriguing details about yourself, but always leave some questions unanswered. This stokes curiosity and keeps the other person invested in discovering more about you. The thrill of the chase is a potent force, but it's essential to strike a balance, be genuinely intriguing without being overly cryptic or misleading. Scenario: On his first date with Emily, Alex shares his love for hiking and talks about a recent solo adventure. He describes the breathtaking scenery and the thrill of discovering hidden waterfalls, but deliberately leaves out some details. This keeps Emily intrigued and eager to learn more about Alex's experiences and personality. Chapter 4: Push and Pull, balancing attention and independence. The push and pull strategy involves alternating between giving focused attention and pulling back to allow space and anticipation. Showering someone with attention makes them feel valued, but taking a step back gives them time to miss you and appreciate your presence. This balance prevents dependency and keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. It's about creating a rhythm of closeness and independence that maintains a healthy level of interest and engagement. Scenario: Ben and Chloe have been dating for several months. Ben notices Chloe becoming increasingly reliant on his attention. To address this, he decides to focus more on his hobbies and spend time with friends, giving Chloe some space. When they reconnect, Chloe seems more excited and engaged, appreciating Ben's independence and the time they spend together more than before. Chapter 5: Triangle of Desire, leveraging social proof. Human beings are inherently influenced by what others find valuable. The triangle of desire technique involves subtly suggesting that others find you attractive or interesting. This creates a sense of social proof, enhancing your desirability. The key is to convey this without boasting or inciting jealousy. Done correctly, it subtly reinforces your appeal and makes the other person feel they're with someone special. Scenario: During a casual conversation with friends, Liam mentions that his colleagues recently praised his work on a significant project. He shares this in a modest way, which piques Maya's interest. Later, she asks Liam more about his career and ambitions, finding him more intriguing because of the recognition he received from others. Chapter 6: Make them feel like the only one, the power of focused attention. In a world where distractions are ubiquitous, Giving someone your undivided attention can be incredibly compelling. When you're with someone, be genuinely present, listen intently, remember details, and show that you value their thoughts and experiences. This makes them feel truly seen and heard. However, it's crucial to balance this by maintaining your own life and interests to avoid appearing overly dependent or losing your sense of individuality. Scenario: while having dinner with Sarah, Jay listens attentively, asks thoughtful questions, and remembers details from their previous conversations. Although he occasionally checks his phone for important messages, he apologizes if it disrupts their conversation. This approach makes Sarah feel valued and respected, strengthening their connection while allowing Jay to maintain his personal balance. Chapter 7: Mirroring and Matching, Creating Subtle Rapport. Mirroring and matching are subtle techniques that involve reflecting the other person's body language, speech patterns, or emotional tone. This can create a sense of familiarity and connection, making interactions feel more harmonious. It's important to do this naturally, avoiding overt mimicry, which can come off as insincere. Instead, focus on building genuine rapport by aligning your behavior in a way that feels authentic and comfortable. Scenario: at a social event, Jessica notices that Daniel uses expressive hand gestures when he speaks. She begins to incorporate similar gestures into her own communication style. She also adjusts her speaking tempo and volume to match his, creating a sense of rapport and making their interaction feel more connected and fluid. Chapter 8: Anchoring Positive Emotions. Anchoring is a technique where you associate positive emotions with your presence or specific experiences. By creating moments that evoke joy, excitement, or comfort, you can anchor these feelings to yourself. This can make the person look forward to being around you and associate you with positive experiences. The key is to be mindful and intentional about creating these emotional touchpoints. Scenario: every time Alex and Emily go hiking, he makes sure they have memorable experiences, like discovering beautiful landscapes or sharing engaging conversations. Over time, Emily starts to associate the excitement and enjoyment of hiking with Alex, strengthening their bond through these shared positive experiences. Chapter 9: The Power of Subtle Compliments. Compliments, when used subtly and sincerely, can significantly enhance your appeal. Focus on praising qualities that reflect genuine appreciation rather than superficial traits. This builds deeper connections and reinforces positive feelings. Compliments should feel spontaneous and specific, showing that you notice and value the other person's unique qualities. Scenario: during their conversations, Jay often compliments Sarah on her insightful perspectives and her ability to make thoughtful observations. These compliments are specific and genuine, making Sarah feel appreciated for her intellect and personality, rather than just her appearance. Chapter 10: Utilizing Storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful way to engage others and convey your experiences in a compelling manner. Sharing personal stories can reveal your character, values, interests, fostering a deeper connection. The key is to be relatable and authentic, weaving narratives that resonate emotionally with your listener. Scenario: Alex often shares stories about his hiking adventures, not just describing the physical aspects but also the personal growth and introspective moments he experienced. These narratives allow Emily to connect with him on a deeper level, understanding his values and the way he sees the world. Conclusion. Dark Psychology: The Forbidden Secrets of Seduction offers a deep dive into the subtle dynamics that govern human attraction and connection. From the strategic use of scarcity to the delicate dance of push and pull, these techniques provide a roadmap to becoming more influential and engaging in your relationships. It's about understanding the psychological triggers that drive human behavior and using this knowledge to foster genuine, meaningful connections. Remember, these strategies should be used ethically and responsibly. The goal is not to manipulate or control, but to connect authentically and enrich your interactions with others. As you integrate these principles into your life, you'll find yourself navigating social landscapes with greater confidence and ease. Embrace these secrets as tools for building deeper, more fulfilling relationships. Step into this new realm of influence and connection, where the forbidden becomes the foundation for stronger, more vibrant interactions.